guys, what's up? So today I am finally going to be filming the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge. This has been all over YouTube. I believe Nikki Tutorials started this trend, and since then I have seen pretty much everybody do it. Carly Bible, Patricia Bright, pretty much all my favorite YouTubers have done it, and it looks super fun, and I really wanted to try this out. So I'm going to pop up a little screen grab of my camera to show you what you do. So basically what you do is you go to Google, and then you go to Google Images, and you type in your initials. So the first initial of your first name, first initial of your last name, and the word look after it. So for me it would be AA look. So when I Google that, this image comes up here, and what I did is I went an extra step, which I haven't seen anyone do yet. I saved the image and then I upload it to a website that creates a color palette out of the colors in the image. So that made it easier for me to kind of look at and decide what colors I was going to use for my palette. So as you can see, there's some like browns in there, there's a really pretty red pink, there's a slate gray, a white, so I feel like I actually have a pretty good scheme to go with. I promise I'm not naked, I have a tube top on here. It was supposed to match my look, but now you can't even see it in the camera, so I promise I'm not filming this topless. Anyway, after I do that, I'm going to take it a step further, and I am actually going to wear this look out tonight. So let's pray to the makeup gods that this comes out semi-acceptable and I don't look like a ridiculous clown, because I am going to be literally wearing this look out right after, so that's going to be like the ultimate test. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and come join the family. We are almost at 1K, you guys. I am like mind blown by this. It's insane, and I love all of you guys so much. Also, do not forget to hit the little bell so you never miss one of my uploads, and if you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. So I have already done my foundation and my eyebrows and my mascara, because usually when I do my mascara I always screw up my eyeshadow, so I want to get it out of the way. So it'll be interesting trying to work around the mascara to put the eyeshadow and then the eyeliner on, because my eyelashes are like really curly. So like even when I go like this, they like go straight up, and it's really hard to try and work around them, but we're gonna see how that goes. I'm just gonna start with a neutral base to begin with, something to work up to. I'm just going to do a light color on the lids here. And I did conceal my eyelids to kind of prime them for the eyeshadow, so the colors would come out a little bit more vibrant. So for this look, I've got this color called Burleywood, and it's like this like goldish yellow color, which is going to be interesting to try and integrate because I don't really have anything like that color. I've never really used something that color. And then I have the Indian red color in the palette, which is that really pretty like fuchsia reddish color. I think I'm gonna use that for my lips. Maybe put a little bit on my eyes too. And then we have the slate gray, so I'll be gray. I'll do like eyeliner and like some darker shadow under my eyes for that. And then the white smoke color is gonna be fun. I'm gonna use that probably to highlight the inner and outer corners of my eye. And then the color Peru, which is that like orangey beige color. I think I might do that in the crease, so let's see how this goes. So for the shade, the color Peru, which is that bottom color, that kind of like camel-ish tone, I'm going to be taking my Milani palette here in the color 05 Earthy Elements, and I'm actually going to take, someday I'll find a better way to do this, I'm going to take this second color right here. It's kind of like that camel tone, and I'm gonna do that in the crease. I really like that actually. It's actually a really good transition shade for this look. Feeling extra hyper today. I got up bright and early, which I normally don't get up any earlier than 12. I know it's really ridiculous, but I got up at 10 because I had to go and buy some new makeup, which I'm really excited to share with you. You'll be seeing that in my no makeup look. I got a whole bunch of new goodies, including a new eyebrow pencil pen type thingy, which I'm using today. And I think it makes my eyebrows look a lot more natural than the Anastasia products. So I'm really excited for you guys to see that. This is like the best brow product I have ever bought, and I've bought like a billion of them. The next color I'm going to do is I think I'm gonna take that Burley Wood goldish yellow color. I'm getting really lucky today. I'm having the perfect colors in every one of my palettes. In this palette that you've seen me use a million times, Master Eye Palette, which is from Primark, I am going to be taking this yellowish gold color right here, and we're gonna see how that looks on the lid. Ooh. I'm just gonna apply that right to the center. I'm actually really liking this. I think I got really lucky. Some people have had really ridiculous Google Picks My Makeup eye looks, and for the fact that I was challenging myself to wear it out, I think I'm getting lucky. So the next color I'm going to use is from my Amber palette from Primark. I'm just going to be taking the lightest shade here, which is this white color. I'm just gonna put that in the inner corners. Oh yeah, that's the pop I was looking for. Yes, girl. Oh yeah. Ooh, shiny. You guys, I'm actually really obsessed with this. I might make this like a regular thing. So ridiculous, but I think it's actually like a really pretty color scheme. And if you guys decide to like recreate or try the Google thing for yourself, you should really use that website to make the palette, because it's so much easier than just trying to like pull colors out of an image. So I haven't seen anyone do that yet, but I think that it was a pretty good idea. So I really want to try and like do a reddish color on my eyes and be a little bit more daring, because the look looks really good right now and hopefully it doesn't screw it up, but I want to make it a little bit more edgy. So I think what I'm gonna do is, again, from a Primark palette. Now, if you watch My Boyfriend Does My Makeup, he used this and he called it Bronaise, not Bronaise. I'm going to be taking this really pretty middle fuchsia color, and I'm going to kind of put that just like on the outer corners where I'm going to extend my eyeliner out, and let's pray this doesn't ruin the look. Like everyone says, eyeliner and lashes is like what can pull pretty much any look together, in my opinion. That was really annoying. I'm never gonna say that again. Under the eyes, I am going to go back in with that camel color, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of a darker gray black color because there was that slate gray in there. Honey, yes. That is it. Oh yeah, that is literally on fleek. For the slate gray color, again from the Primark Master Eye Palette thingamajig here, going in with this dark black color, but I'm only gonna take it on very lightly onto the end of my brush here. Now, time for some liquid eyeliner using the Maybelline Master Precise ink, and that is a felt tip like so, and I prefer felt tips personally. Next, I am going to take that same black shade that I used on the bottom, and I'm going to take an angled brush and just kind of blur the eyeliner on the top a little bit. To pick up that pinkish red shade, I am going to line my lips first with this Gone Burgundy color by Wet n Wild. Then I am also taking this Wet n Wild lipstick in the color Wine Room. I really can't speak today. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I know it was kind of a toss-up. Having Google pick your makeup is a total wild card, but I think that in my case it turned out really good, so I am not really nervous about wearing this out tonight. I think it looks okay. But let me know down below in the comments what you think, and I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching.